when we opened up, and we had everything ready to go, and then it was over a period of about 24 hours where RTE had come into the Workmen's Club to do a piece for the 6-1 News, saying about how venues like ours could be open. And I had a show on that night. It was a Wednesday night, and I watched the 6 o'clock news just on my phone and work. And I was delighted. They had great shots of the place. Everything was looking great. And then between that and the 9 o'clock news, the entire narrative had flipped from the places like ours couldn't be open to could be open to couldn't be open. And it was just heart wrenching, and you're trying to struggle with it, and you're dealing with it. And I'm getting messages from people going, "What's the story here? What's going on?" And I just don't know. And then going to bed that night, I was, completely defeated, going, right, well, that's that then. And to wake up the next morning to another thing, readjusting the position back again so that we could be open. It's jarring. It was really jarring, and you're trying to be professional about it, but at the same time, you just want to scream into a pillow.